Smooth operations start with smart organization. Whether in production, storage, offices, or IT, a well-labeled workspace keeps everything running efficiently. Meet the DYMO LabelManager 280. When portable meets professional, to keep your workspace organized and running smoothly. Built for demanding industrial use, it's perfect for machinery, tools, inventory, and instructional signage with long-lasting, high-visibility labels. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it eliminates downtime, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Use it standalone for quick labeling or connect to PC or Mac for barcodes, symbols, and precision formatting, offering complete customization. Printing at 0.6 of an inch per second, it keeps up with the fast-paced demands of any department. Choose standard or durable D1 labels, built for long-lasting identification in high-traffic areas. Durable labels resist heat, moisture, solvents, and cleaners, ensuring strong adhesion in demanding environments. Designed with sustainability in mind, it features up to 80% recycled packaging and recycled cassette housing, reducing waste without compromising performance. Calm the chaos in general organizations with the DYMO LabelManager 280.